In front of me is REALME GT 5G, and let me show you how to change language on this device. So first of all, you need to open the settings, then find and select additional settings and go to language and region. And here just select add a language. As you can see, you've got the whole list here. Just pick the language that you would like to apply, that you would like to make a default one. Now slide it up to the first place to make it the default language. Tap on change to Spanish. And that's it. As you can see, from now on the whole device is in Spanish and you can smoothly use it this way. Then whenever you would like to change it again, just pick language as an input and you can either perform the same action or just remove the unnecessary languages. So just tap on more to do it, tap on edit, mark the languages that you would like to delete, tap on bin and then just change the default one. And this is it. So that would be all. This is how we can change language. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.